In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome forbidden download. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. From that menu, click Settings. On the Settings page, find the section called Privacy and Security. Click into Privacy and Security to continue. Next, select Clear Browsing Data. When this window appears, you will see several options that control what Chrome will remove. For this fix, make sure cookies and other site data is checked. You should also check cached images and files. These two items are important because damaged cookies or old cached files can sometimes interfere with website permissions and cause download errors, including the forbidden download message. Restarting the browser helps apply the changes properly and gives Chrome a fresh start. After Chrome opens again, go back to the page where you were trying to download the file and try the download one more time. In many cases, this simple cleanup resolves the problem right away. That covers everything you need to know.